Right. Here, ninth question is: a box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles, and 4 green marbles. Did we complete the ninth one, ma?
Yes, sir.
As we completed till ninth one, let us see the 10th one. A piggy bank contains 150 paise coins and 50 1 rupee coins and 20 2 rupee coins and 10 5 rupee coins. If it is equally likely that one of the coins will fall out when the bank is turned upside down, what is the probability that the coin, the first question, will be a 50 paise coin? The next one will not be a 5 rupee coin. So first let us see this. How many 100 rupees, how many 50 paise coins are there?
100.
You write number of 50 paise coins, 100. You write the statement clearly. Next, number of 1 rupee coins,
Sir, 50.
50.
Sir, 50.
So number of 20 2 rupee coins,
Sir,
20.
20.
20. And number of 5 rupee coins,
Sir, 10.
Sir.
10. Now the first one is we have to find the probability of getting a coin will be 50 paise coin. So write the formula, number of variable outcomes, a total possible number of outcomes. So how many 50 paise coins are there?
Sir, 100.
100.
Sir, 100.
So or else here find it, total number of coins.
100 by 180, sir.
180, sir.
Total number of coins, sir. This is 170, 180.
108. 108.
180. So there are 150 paise coins. By total number of coins are 180. So these two gets cancelled.
5 by 9.
5 are 2 9s are. So the first one answer is 5 by 9. Then go to the second one.
Sir, 170 by 180.
So probability of
Probable outcomes is
will
170.
not be a 5 rupee coin. So there are two ways we can use it. One is we can find the probability of 5 rupee coin, we can subtract from 1. Or else other one is a probability of the coin
Sir,
is
sir,
not
all
a 5 rupee
Sir, by
coin.
adding the rest, sir.
Yes, ma'am. So not 5 rupee coin is, write the formula, number of variable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. So how many are there, ma'am? Not 5 rupees means accept 10.
sir, 170 by 180.
70.
So this is 170 by 180. So the probability is 17 by 8.
17 by 8.
Is it clear to you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Sir.
So we'll go to the next one. So here Gopi buys a fish from a shop for his aquarium. The shopkeeper takes out one fish at random from random from tank containing 5 male fish and 8 female fish. What's the probability that the fish taken out is male fish? So you write the statements, number of male fish and number of female fish, and I'll write the direct answer. Probability of what we have to take? Probability of getting male fish.
Male fish.
Yes. Probability of getting male fish. So how many male fish are there? Number of variable outcomes.
5 male fish, sir.
By total
Five.
possibilities. 5 plus 8.
8, sir.
But it is 5 by
Sir, 13.
13.
5 by 13.
That's it. So game of chance consists of spinning an arrow which comes to rest point at one of the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8. And these are equally likely outcomes. What is the probability that it will be point at 8? So what are the total
So 1
possible
by 8.
outcomes?
Sir,
So
8.
total possible outcomes are
8.
outcomes are 8. So let us go to the first one. Probability of getting 8. So write the formula, number of favorable outcomes by
Favorable
number of
outcomes.
total possible outcomes. How many favorable outcomes are there? How many
one.
mates are there?
Sir, 1.
Only one. So this is 1 by
Sir,
total possibilities are
1
8.
by 8.
8.
So go to the next one. An odd number. So probability of getting an odd number. How many odd numbers are there?
4.
So odd
There is
numbers
4.
are 1,
4, sir.
Sir,
4.
1,
3,
3, 5, 6.
5,
4, sir.
5,
7.
7.
So 4
4.
are there. So 4 by
Sir,
8.
4 by 8.
It is nothing but 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Right? Then go to the third one. A number greater than 2. So probability of
6 by 8,
a
sir.
number greater than 2. Greater than 2 means
Sir, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, sir.
7.
6
There
by
are
8.
6
Sir,
possible.
6 by 8.
Yes, 6 by 8.
3 by 4.
Sir, 3 by
To
2.
simplify that, this is 3 by 4. Right.
3 by 4.
And go to the next one. A number less than 9. Probability of
Sir,
8
less
8
than
by 9. All the numbers. 8 by 8.
8 by 8.
1.
8 by 8.
1 by 1, sir.
1 by 1 is nothing but 1 only.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That's it. Die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting a prime number. A number lying between 2 and 6. And an odd number. So first write the possible outcomes. So if you throw a die, what are the possible outcomes?
1, 2, 3,
Sir, numbers from 1 to 6.
1 to 6.
1 to 6.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You write the possible outcomes. When we throw a die, possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5, and 6. So what are the number of total possible outcomes?
6, sir.
6.
That's it. Or 6. Now go to the first one. A prime number. Probability of getting a prime number.
3
3
by
by
6.
6.
3 by 6.
2, 3, 5, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
These are-
2, 3, 5. Here also you have to write prime numbers are 2, 3, 5. Therefore, number of favorable outcomes are 3. Then you can write probability of getting a prime number is 3 by 6. That equal to 1 by
1 by
2. And go to the next one. Probability of a number lying between
2 and 6.
So 3 by
and
6.
6.
3 by 6.
3 by 6.
So a number lying between 2 and 6.
3 by
See
6.
this one, no? Yes, just a minute. When it is mentioned, it is between two numbers. The two numbers should be excluded. So we can take only 3, 4, 5.
4 and 5, sir.
If it is mentioned, suppose numbers from 2 to 6. When the word is mentioned from 2 to 6, we should include these two values, 2 and 6.
Yes,
So in this
sir.
case, we can take 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If the question is given in this format. So you should understand here, when it is given between two values, the extreme should be excluded or given value should be excluded. In between we can take. If it is mentioned a number from 2 to 6 or any numbers, so we should exclude the given, include the given numbers also.
So the two numbers also will include, sir.
Yes, if it is given, find the probability of a number from 2 to 6, getting a number from 2 to 6. Then you should include 2 and 6 also.
Yes, sir.
Here what you have to do now? Is it need to include
Sir,
or
now
exclude?
we have
Sir,
to
we should
exclude
exclude
the
the
2
one.
and
Two and
Now we
6
have
here.
to exclude the numbers. So 3, 4, 5 only possible. So total
3 by
possibilities
6,
are,
sir.
these are
3
3
by 6.
by 6.
3
by
by
6.
6,
So
1
this
by
is
2, sir.
also
1 by
1
2.
by 2.
2. Ah, that's it. And go to the third one. A prime number. Probability of getting a prime number is 3 by 6. 3 by 6. So this is also 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Ah, that's it. And go to the third one.
1 by 2. 1 by 2.
So third one is probability of getting an odd number.
Sir, 1, 3, 5.
1, 3, and 5,
Oh,
sir.
that's it. Odd numbers are 1, 3, and 5.
Sir, 3 by 6, 1 by 2, sir.
3 by 6.
That's it. This is also 3 by 6. It's nothing but
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
That's it. So the next one is one card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. So total possibilities are 52. Find the probability of getting a king of a red color.
Sir, 2 by 52.
Sir, 2 by 52.
Number of total
2 by-
possibilities,
52,
possible
sir.
outcomes are
Sir.
52. So let us start. You have to write that on. The first statement is number of total possible outcomes are 52. Therefore, the first one is a king of red color. Probability of getting a king of red color.
Red color.
2 by
How many red
52.
colors kings are there, ma?
Sir,
two.
2, sir.
2, sir.
Two. One is diamond, another one is hearts.
Heart.
2 by total possibilities are
52.
52. So this is 1 by.
1 by 26.
26.
26.
You try to write in simplest form.
Sir.
And the next one is probability of getting a face card.
Yes, card.
How many
Sir.
face cards are there?
Sir, face
So,
cards means
12.
every
12, sir. 1
Sir,
is
12.
3, sir.
So
12.
it
Sir,
has- so
there are
12.
4 shapes, sir. So each one we have 3, so 12.
So that you have to write in words. So the total number of face cards are 12.
12,
And
sir.
total possibilities are 52. Therefore, a probability of getting
12
a
by
face card
52.
is 12 by 52. So this is how many times, ma? So this is 2 6 here,
6 by
220.
Sir, 3 of 13, sir.
By
Because
13.
in
Yes.
4 table,
So
it's
3 by 13, sir.
3
Ah,
and
yes,
13.
no, fourth table. So this is 3 and 13. That's it. So directly also 4 3s are 4 13s. Next, the third one is a red face card. Probability of getting
Sir,
red
6
face
by
card.
Sir,
52.
6 by 52.
So you should write for each question. Ma. So when it is mentioned red face card, the number of red face cards are. How many are the red face cards?
Probability of red face
6,
card,
sir.
6 by 52.
By 52. So the answer is
3 by 13, sir.
Sir, 3 by 26.
3 by 26. That's it.
Yes, sir.
And go to the next one. So the fourth one is probability of
Sir,
getting
the jack of
jack
hearts.
of heart.
Sir, 1 by
Sir,
52.
1
Sir,
by
1
52.
Probability
52, sir.
of the jack of hearts, 1
The
by
jack
52.
of cards are. How many jack of hearts are there?
Sir,
Sir,
1.
1.
Only
Sir,
one.
one.
Then you have to write number of jack of hearts is 1. So the probability of getting the jack of heart is
1 by
1 by.
52, sir.
1 by 52.
1 by 52.
Then go to the next one, fifth one. A spade. Probability of getting a spade. So first write total number of
Sir, 13,
spade cards
Favorable outcome.
13.
or 13.
13.
So
Sir,
out of
13 by 52.
Sir,
Yes,
13 by
so-
52.
so this is 1 by.
1 by 4.
1 by 4, sir.
And the next one is the queen of diamonds.
Sir, 1 by
Probability of
52.
Sir, 1 by
Sir, 1.
52.
a queen of
Probability of
diamonds.
getting queen of diamonds, 1 by 52.
So that you have to write it. Then it is
Yes, sir. 1 by
1 by 52.
1 by 52, sir.
That's it. So here 5 cards. 10, jack, queen and king and ace of diamonds are well shuffled with a face downwards. One card is then picked up at random. What is the probability that card is the queen? So how many cards are there total?
Sir,
Sir,
5.
totally
Five, sir.
13 in
Total
diamond.
number of cards.
Sir, total number of cards, 13, sir.
Sir, 5.
By ma, this is 10, jack, queen,
5, sir.
and ace. 5 only.
Sir, according to question 5.
Yes, according to the question only, ma, we should proceed.
Okay, sir.
Then the first question is, what is the probability that the card is queen? So probability of getting
1 by
1 by 5. Probability of getting a queen is 1 by 5.
1 by
1 by
5.
2. Next, the second one is, if the queen is drawn and put aside, so you should write a queen is drawn and put aside. So the remaining cards,
Sir,
remaining
4.
total number
Remaining
of
cards
cards
will be 4, sir.
are 4. Now probability of getting
an
is
ace.
the first
Sir,
question.
probability of getting an ace
Sir,
will
1 by
be
4.
1 by 4.
1 by 4, sir.
1
An
by
ace is only one ace, so this is 1 by 4. And what about B?
Sir, and
A
sir,
queen.
probability
Queen
of
only
getting
taken
a
out.
queen will be
Sir.
0 by
Queen
4,
only
sir.
taken out.
0
So
by
there
4.
are
Because the
Zero
queen
zero
by
number
is
of
the
queens.
side.
Yes,
Zero.
queen is taken out, so number of queens are 0. So that probability of getting a queen
Is 0 by 5.
is 0. 0 by 4. You should not write 5.
Sorry.
0 by 4.
Yes, sir.
So the answer is 0. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 12
12
defective
defective
pens
pens
are
are accidentally mixed with 132 good ones. It is not possible to just look at a pen and tell whether that is or not, it is defective or not. One pen is taken out at random from this lot. Determine the probability that the pen taken is out is good one. The pen taken out.
Sir,
132. Sir,
Sir, the total number of pen is equal to 12 plus
144, sir.
132 plus 12 is equal
That
to
is what? That is
144,
what? They
sir.
asked to find only the good ones, right?
Yes, sir.
So first, you should take total number of
Pens, sir.
Sir, 144 pence, sir.